So today's our annual open house. It's where we open our doors to the residents of Fitchburg so that they can come in and see everything that we have, all of our resources, and talk to our people and learn about fire safety. So yeah, the first year ever at Station 2. So far so good. We're looking at a pretty decent crowd, but that has helped because Oak Bank is doing their annual pumpkin giveaway. And we reached out to Oak Bank and said, hey, can we make this a community event so that our event, which was going to happen at the same time anyway, happens just across the street from, what you guys are doing, so that we can bring people in who want to see our stuff, send them your way, and maybe you guys can send them our way, and we sort of share the crowd. So we've got a lot going on. We're going to do an extrication demo here in a little while, around 12:30. But we've got a kids obstacle course where they run through the obstacle course and then they put a fire out in a house. We've got our tech rescue guys set up so kids can actually pull weights that they wouldn't normally be able to pull weight. I think they've got a 5-to-1 system rigged up. We've got free hot dogs. We've got all the trucks that are in our fleet are here, so you can ask about any of the trucks and any of the tools that are on them. We're proud of what we do, and we're proud of the equipment we've been able to utilize, from the city. But by and large, what we want is for people to be safe in their homes. We want to teach them methods so that while they're home cooking, they're staying with their cooking, they're staying in the kitchen so that the fire doesn't start or doesn't get away from them if it does start. We've got an extinguisher demo. If anybody wants to learn how to use a fire extinguisher, what a great fire prevention way to do it, right? Learn how to put a fire out with one of those. But by and large, we just want to teach people additional ways to stay safe in their home. Ask us anything. Every one of our staff is exceptionally well trained. They know their job, they know their tools, and they love to talk about what they do. So if you see somebody wearing blue, grab them, ask them the question that you've never asked a firefighter before.